First look at the Kedarnath peak from the road to Kedarnath. NDTV Siddharth Pandey is travelling as the road is opening up very slowly. In fact, the road has been so badly damaged with landslides all along the way and debris, in fact, reducing the road in bits and pieces to just patches now that are left. The army is trying to restore the road on a war footing. Till now, Kedarnath can only be accessed by air given the circumstances. NDTV Siddharth Pandey and Hridesh Joshi are on their way to Kedarnath, where the only way now to proceed is on foot.
Getting to Kedarnath is the biggest challenge as far as the land route is concerned. We've been in fact traveling, making our journey there, and it's been very, very tough. The fact that the national highway has been completely devastated in large stretches. There's no highway at all. In fact, the road has just vanished, being swept away by the river, or of course the road is caved in. But what's really interesting now, we are within sighting distance of Kedarnath. If you can just see the peak behind me, that's where Kedarnath is. Just below those peaks is where the shrine is. So we are within almost grasping distance, if you will, of the shrine. However, what's really hampering all the relief efforts is the fact that everything has to be now flown in or flown out because the road links are completely devastated. I'm incidentally standing on one of the back routes, one of the lesser used routes. This is basically a road that connects the villages here in this remote part, and it's now being upgraded on a war footing. We can quickly also, Prem, if you can just pan the camera and show the workers down there literally putting in boulders so that heavy machinery, trucks and buses can come here to start taking relief supplies in to evacuate people. What we are told by engineers is that the main national highway, which has been destroyed in parts completely, will take several months to rectify, and that's why this particular roads like this one will become the lifeline. Sir, आप यहाँ पर रहते हैं, मेन यातायात ये सिर्फ गांव वगैरह के लिए है, लेकिन ये अब एक बहुत तेजी से यहाँ पर इसकी मरम्मत की जा रही है. केदारनाथ अगर पहुंचना हो, अगर सड़कें ठीक हो तो कितना समय लगता है यहाँ से?
सड़कें ठीक रहेंगी तो सर यहाँ से 3 दिन में आज की स्थिति में पहुंच पाएंगे.
अगर आप पैदल जा रहे हैं?
अगर हम पैदल जा रहे हैं.
बट अगर यातायात हो, गाड़ी हो तो फिर
तो 1 दिन में हम कर सकते हैं.
लेकिन आज की हकीकत जो है,
जी सर,
अभी सड़कों का जो हाल है,
जी सर,
तो अब कितना मुश्किल है वहाँ पहुँचना अगर सड़क ठीक नहीं है?
सड़क ठीक नहीं तो 4 दिन तो सर हम लोगों को लगेंगे, लेकिन जो पैदल चलने के आदि लोग नहीं हैं उनको
आप पहाड़ी लोग हैं, आपको तो आदत है पहाड़ में चलने की, और आप खुद कह रहे हैं आपको 4 दिन बस लगेंगे पहुंचने के लिए, 4 दिन लगेंगे वापस आने के लिए, मतलब करीबन हफ्ता तो बस निकल गया आने और जाने में. सो हियर वी आर जस्ट विद इन साइटिंग डिस्टेंस ऑफ केदारनाथ, एंड एज वी कैन शो यू दैट द road work here on a war footing to quickly try and ensure that people can make it out there. From the entire team of NDTV here, Prem Singh, Arif, as well as my colleague Hridesh Joshi, this is Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.